What are the potential penalties for a DUI in Nevada? Attorney Mace Yampolsky explains that. In the past, DUIs were not really considered serious, so it would be fine if someone had a couple of drinks, whereas nowadays, DUIs are taken much more seriously. For a first-time DUI, the person would be looking at a minimum of 2 days in jail with a maximum of 6 months. They would be able to do 48 hours of community service in lieu of the jail time, although we are usually able to resolve the case and have the client get credit for time served for the 48 hours, meaning the person would not need to do it. It was a more serious situation if it was a second-time DUI within 7 years, because that would be a minimum of 10 days jail and a maximum of 6 months. The fines would be higher, and the person would be required to put a breath interlock device in their car, and they would lose their license for 1 year. A third-time DUI within 7 years would be considered a felony, and penalties would be 1 to 6 years, a fine ranging from $2,000 to $5,000. The person would lose their license for 3 years, and it would be non-probationable, so the person would have to go to prison. They would have to spend 1 to 6 years in the Nevada State Prison, although the people who were convicted for a third-time DUI would be segregated, and they would not be housed with killers and people who committed sexual assault or people who had used violence against somebody else. But the fact is that a prison is still prison. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Mace Yampolsky in Las Vegas, Nevada at 702-843-0939 or visit his website at www.macelaw.com.